Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your studies. Now, in the previous video, we had a discussion about file management. What is file management? I told you, and how we can know what is file and how we can identify. We have already discussed these things. Today, we are going to discuss what is folder. You might know that seen your parents to organize papers in different folders. I am not going to tell you an example from the book. I am just giving you an example from your mother's kitchen. माँ के किचन में जाओ और देखो. Your mother is keeping different spices in different boxes. Why she is keeping these spices in different boxes? उनको मिक्स करके क्यों नहीं रखती हैं? वो सेपरेट क्यों रखती हैं? क्या कभी सोचा है तुमने? नमक को अलग डब्बे में, other spices and all the things she is keeping different boxes. Why? Because this different things in different places in different boxes she is keeping to you can say when she is needed that kind of spice, it will immediately get by her. उन्हें किसी भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़े, चाहे उनको मिर्च पड़े या नमक की ज़रूरत पड़े, तो उनको ढूंढना ना पड़े, वो डायरेक्टली उस बॉक्स के पास जाती हैं और उस बॉक्स से उसको निकाल लेती हैं. वाई? बिकॉज शी इज़ कीपिंग दैट थिंग इन अ प्रॉपर ऑर्डर और प्रॉपर मैनर. दिस इज़ वाई. In the same way, in the computer, folder is just like a box where we keep our files safely as well as you can say organizedly. Like some of you are keeping what can I say, image, then files, videos, audios. So we keep all these things in a folder, but important thing is we can keep one more folder. We can introduce one more folder in that folder, that is called subfolder. We will later on. So this is given that all related papers are, this is, I hope all you have understood it is given in your book also, that you might have seen your parents to organize papers in different folders. Why they are organizing? Because with the help of this they can get the actual paper when it is need. So it is given a definition of folder, that a folder is a container that store related files and folders. As I told you the example of your mother's kitchen, in everywhere you can see that our mothers are basically keeping the things in different you can say boxes. Then these boxes are called basically folders, and a folder within a folder is called subfolder. As I told you that I will tell you, in folders के नीचे अंदर भी एक subfolder होता है, where we keep our files in a separate way. Like movies in one particular folder, videos in one particular folder, audios in one particular folder, files in one particular folder, and these folders are keep in a subfolder. ये एक फोल्डर बनाते हैं, उस फोल्डर के अंदर एक हम दूसरा फोल्डर बनाते हैं, दूसरा तीसरा चौथा भी बना सकते हैं एक फोल्डर के अंदर. तो उस फोल्डर के अंदर जो दूसरा और तीसरा फोल्डर बनाते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड सब फोल्डर्स, वेयर वी कैन रीनेम द फाइल फोल्डर्स नेम एंड देन वी कैन सेव इट. So here has given some properties of folders. Just like a file, a folder has a unique name. Yes, we can keep a name of these files, and folders are usually represent with yellow icons. You know that they are basically usually represent in a yellow icons, which you can that. So the concept of file and folders are very similar to the file cabinet used in offices or at homes. As I given you so many examples of that. Sorry. So a storage device such as a hard disk of a computer is like a filing cabinet. So ये जो hard disk होता है, वहीं पे क्या करते हैं हम, ये सारी चीज़ों को put करते हैं. We can put these things in the hard disk, that, but we can simply organize these things in a proper manner, and with the help of folders. We can organize the files, we can keep it separately in different folders and subfolders. So which is basically keep in mind hard disk. So the folders may contain files, as I told you, subfolders inside them, and then Windows provide a very useful program called File Explorer which allow us to view or manage our files and folders easily. See, so you know that why, you know what, Windows provide a useful program which is called Windows File Explorer, and with the help of File Explorer we can explore different files. With the help of File Explorer we can manage files, we can, you know what, easily access any file with the help of File Explorer, which I will tell you, you know what, in the Google Classroom when I'll take you online class. Next is how we can open. I hope you understand how. Next is we are going to discuss how we can open File Explorer. As you know that File Explorer is a program that allow us to view, create, copy, move, rename, delete and search file and folders easily. With the help of this we can, you know, we can done these things. We can create, copy, move, rename, search. We can do these things. Now two ways in which we can open file or folder. File Explorer here is given that first method is click on File Explorer button on the taskbar, we will click, and then method 2, click on the start button, choose the File Explorer option, and the File Explorer window will be open in the following figures. As you can see in the page number 99 it is given, and the File Explorer open in the quick view, whereas the list of the frequently used folders and recently used files will be there. See, I think for today it is enough. Henceforward I will tell you later on, not later on, in the next video I will tell you. For today I think it is enough. If you have doubts then come in Google Classroom and ask me tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.